guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we have an unboxing of Chanel. The Chanel holiday gift sets have finally arrived. They actually both got delivered today. I had to order one from Chanel's website and then one from Nordstrom's. So I figured I would just unbox both of them for you guys. So if you guys want to see the Chanel holiday sets that I picked up, then please keep watching. If you guys are looking to get your hands on this, make sure you guys are following my Telegram group chat. I have literally been working round the clock to let you guys know when it's available. I literally check every single website multiple times a day. When I see it's available, I share it in the Telegram with the link directly so you guys can purchase it right away because sometimes it's hard to find it. So I want to make sure you guys are able to find it right away. They are currently sold out on Chanel's website, but they are going to be coming back because they have not launched on Macy's yet, Neiman and Marcus. The blue sets did launch on Nordstrom, so that's where I got one of the blue sets. None of the white sets did launch on Nordstrom yet, so I'm figuring it's going to be coming soon. And I personally think Chanel's going to be coming back in stock because I randomly will see here and there when one of the gift sets come available, and then I post it in the Telegram. So I'm so glad that a lot of you guys were able to snag it when I posted it. I did not go crazy this year. Last year I went a little crazy and I bought every single set, and that's just not needed. One, because I didn't even use a lot of the products, so I did not do that this year. I really only wanted one of the blue and one of the white, and I figured the one that I would personally use the most. So I'll show you guys those two. And at the end of the video, I will be doing a giveaway, and it does include Chanel. So if you guys are interested in the giveaway, it's at the end. But if you guys want to stick around and see all the goodies I got, first, I've been seeing everyone get their gift sets early from sales associates, and nobody wants to share who their sales associate is. So that is just not cool. Sharing is caring. I have been seeing so many people get free gifts from their sale associates, and I'm like, oh my god, my Neiman and Marcus didn't have all the free gifts. They did have the charms, which I think I made another video about it. I don't know if I posted it yet. I made a video when I got these charms. So I got these two CC charms from my Neiman and Marcus, the Chanel beauty counter. She gave them to me when I bought a lipstick. I'm wearing one right now. I bought this one from Poshmark. So I have 3 charms right here, and I'm going to be making a necklace out of it, or a bracelet. And then I'm in this Chanel Facebook group, and this one girl, she was selling one of the gift sets, and then she had the free Chanel ornament with the purchase, and I messaged her. I was like, how much is just the ornament? And she's like, you don't want the gift set? And I was like, no, I just want the ornament. And it was free. I was like, okay, well, I'll buy it from you, I want it. And she was like, I'll just mail it to you. So she mailed it to me for free. So she gave it to me for free. I want to make a little luxury Christmas tree in my beauty room because I have a DIOR ornament, I have a Saks ornament, and I just want to make a cute little ornament tree if I can get a good amount. I don't want to spend a lot on ornaments, but I did get this one for free. So funny how I get more excited for free gifts, but I mean, you guys know that about me already. That's nothing new. Figured since we're doing Chanel gift sets, I opened the one that came directly from Chanel first, and of course it comes in this beautiful Chanel box. Here it is. I just love the packaging this year. And then we also got free gifts. What's in here? I do wish that we were able to get charms online. We got 2 makeup removers. They put 2 in here. That was nice. And then they also put a cream. And then you also get the Chanel little pouch. The first one that I did pick up is the On The Go Moisture Set, which is the hydrating oil and the lip balm. So let's go ahead and open this up. First time ever seeing one of the colors. Let's see. Ooh, oh wow. It's definitely nicer than pictures. It's more of an oatmeal color with gold iridescent in it. It's very, very pretty. I will say I'm a little disappointed they didn't do a red one this year. I mean, how can you not do a red one? Very, very pretty. Let's go ahead and open this up. I do love how this year I did see online that everything is pre-boxed, which I think is great, especially for something, if you don't use it. So let's go ahead and open the hydrating oil first. This is for your nails and cuticle. It's definitely a lot smaller than I thought. For some reason the picture looked so much bigger, but here's the oil. Open it up, and ooh, I squeezed a little too much out of it. We'll put a little on our cuticles. Okay. It actually feels nice. I normally wasn't gonna get this one, and then I saw someone review, they were like, in one of my videos, they were like, don't sleep on the oil, it's really good. So then I'm like, you know what? Let me do the oil, because one is one of the cheaper ones too. How nice my hands look now. Doesn't it? Oh my god, it smells like the hand cream. I kind of like how it makes my cuticles look. Doesn't it just look like so refreshed? I actually really like this. I'm a little surprised because cuticle oil stuff isn't really my jam. Then we got their hydrating tinted lip balm. It says buildable coverage, but I thought this was no color. So you got their white and gold packaging, and then the gold Chanel. Yeah, there's no color. Very cute. And this one is one of the cheaper options. If you guys want to know every single gift set that did launch and like the details in it and the prices, make sure you guys check out my first Chanel video. I made a whole video before this even launched of what's included in it. Back to the bag, because I mean, honestly, that's the main event. I also made a video last year how to convert this into a crossbody bag. Unfortunately, this year does not have those tabs like it did in 2022. 2022 had the tabs where you can insert a chain. This year doesn't have it. It's like last year. This is last year's bag. Oh my god, I forgot how stunning it is. And I did put D-rings here to attach a chain. I did take the chain off because I was using it for my Prada wallet that I bought. I should probably get more than one chain, but yeah, I attached D-rings right here. I was wearing it as a crossbody bag during the holidays last year. Wow, I forgot how beautiful last year's was. So here's last year, this year. What do you guys think? This one kind of reminds me a little bit more of like 2022. All right, this one is 2022, and honestly, I think this one has to be the best one. It is just the perfect color for the holidays. It's this like beautiful, bright, like a true red with sparkles in it. But anyways, I want to show you guys. You see how 2022 had these little claps here? You were able to insert a chain and wear it as a crossbody. And then 2023, I had to insert D-rings. And now we have 2023. Unfortunately, there's no red this year. How can they do that? That I don't know. But anyways, what I was trying to say is that this bag this year kind of reminds me of last year's. It just has like that iridescent to it. Very, very beautiful. This is definitely like a more of an oatmeal color than white, and it just has these beautiful gold like iridescence in it. It's just absolutely stunning, and I really do like how this year does come in boxes, so something you don't use, you can re-gift it, or if you wanted to buy the gift set just for the bag and you don't really want the products, you can give it to someone for the holidays. But just very gorgeous. And again, this one is the On The Go Moisture. I really like the cuticle set, and it smells really good, and I will say my hands feel awesome. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next one I got was the Absolute Allure makeup set. This packaging is just so stunning. Let's go ahead and open this. Who has been around since me losing all my hair? Do you guys see how much my hair has grown? It's crazy. Although I will say I am losing quite a bit of hair again. I don't know why. This one's the blue one. Let's open it together. Never seen this. This one doesn't really do it for me. Sure, it's pretty, it's blue, it has sparkles on it, but where's the red? Where's the holiday season? You know what I mean? But here it is. The blue. Here are both of them side by side. All right, let's go ahead and open this. The Absolute Allure comes with a mascara and a lip color. Ooh, look at these packages. Black with like gold on it. That is pretty. We got this in the shade 999. This is what it looks like. It has the Chanel logo on the bottom, and then you click it to open it. Ooh, it's a very beautiful red. Ooh, very pretty for the holidays right here. And I kind of love the packaging of it also. Like, click, click. I like it. Then we got a mascara. Ooh, also same way. So this is what the mascara looks like. It says Chanel here, and then it has the CC up here, and then to open it, you click it and it pops out. And then you twist it. How is that even possible? Where does it go? That's crazy. Wait, I don't understand that. Oh, this part goes in. Okay. Then you pull it out, and then we got a little mascara. Not sure how good the mascara is, but we will test it out. We have a computer. You're supposed to twist it and then pull it. So you push it in. Very luxurious. Clearly I haven't owned a lot of Chanel makeup because that is very luxurious. So that one is the Absolute Allure. So those are the only two I got. I didn't get the whole set. I will be honest, I was a little disappointed I didn't see a hand cream one. I personally love the hand cream ones. I think they're awesome. I keep them in my purse. I use them all the time. They really are so good. So if you've been thinking about getting the hand cream, definitely get it because it really is that good. It's like worth the hype. But yeah, those are the two I got. Again, Absolute Allure and On The Go Moisture. I wanted one of the blues and one of the whites because just last year I went crazy. I have so many bags from last year. So yeah, I just wanted one of each just to add to my collection. What do you guys think? Did you guys pick any of these up? Which ones did you guys pick up? Are you guys still waiting? Just because I got two now doesn't mean as more keeps coming available, I may buy one. I'm gonna try not to. I don't need it. So yeah, so those are the two that I did pick up. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's get into the giveaway. Sorry, my sister's texting me right now. My wedding's next month and she didn't buy her daughter the flower girl dress yet. So now she's like looking on Etsy, looking everywhere, and like Etsy says it won't be delivered literally like 3 days before the wedding. I'm like, Gina, like that's not gonna work. What if it doesn't fit? What if it needs to be hemmed? Like, my family just plays with fire with dates and things getting done. Like, she didn't even get her dress hemmed. We finally just made the appointment yesterday and they were like, yeah, it takes 4 weeks. And I'm like, what? Like, cutting it so close. Anyways, let's get into the giveaway. Last year I did so many random like holiday giveaways. Like, I would just post a video on my Instagram story and then choose somebody who just like commented on it. So I want to get back into that. I haven't done a giveaway in a while and I used to do them so many times. So I figured the best way to start the holiday season, I know it's October, but it's the holiday season. The best way is to start with a giveaway, and I figured this is a Chanel video, so we're gonna do a Chanel giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away a Chanel holiday bag. This is from 2022, and it is the silver and gray one with the gray iridescent. Oh, it is just so beautiful. You could also attach D-rings. I did make a whole video on it last year. If you guys want another updated one, I can do that for you guys. And you just attach the D-rings, and it is just absolutely stunning and so gorgeous. There will also be some goodies in here. So we got a few different things in here. We got Hourglass, Way, Pixie, Sephora, and yeah, we just got some little products in there. But the main event is definitely the Chanel holiday set. So all you have to do to enter is you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel and you must be following me on Instagram. I will link both of them down below, and you must leave a comment down below. Let me know where you guys are from. Leave your Instagram down below also. And then if you want some extra entries, you can join my Telegram group chat, which you guys should be joined anyways, just to get really good sales. And you can follow me on Twitter. And I used to say this in all my videos, I really want somebody to win my giveaway who's someone who is a real supporter of mine, someone who actually enjoys my content, enjoys my videos. So I really want one of you guys to win who truly enjoys, you know, my videos. So yeah, make sure you guys also put your Instagram down below. And yeah, that's all you have to do to enter to win this beautiful Chanel bag with some goodies in it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you got... Why is that not moving? This topper better not stop moving. What was I saying? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will see you all in my next video.